going on, y'all? This your boy Mike D. Okay, I'm about to sing. I'm about to sing. This is my first time singing on YouTube, so I'm a tad bit nervous. I'm a tad bit nervous, but don't judge me. The song I'll be singing a cappella. It's called "For You," and it's by Kenny Lattimore. Um, yeah, I'm singing the song because it's actually a song for my aunt's wedding that I have to sing at, and I want to pick the right song. So I'm gonna leave it up to y'all to see if y'all like this one or another one that I'll post in a minute. So keep it 100, be honest, and here we go. I'm a tad bit nervous, so don't judge. For you, I give a lifetime of stability and anything you want of me. Nothing is impossible for you. There are no words, no ways to show my love or all the thoughts I'm thinking of. 'Cause this life is no good alone. Since we've become one, I've made a change. Everything I do now makes sense. All roads end, all I do is for you. For you I share the cup of love that overflows, and anyone who knows us knows I would change all faults I have for you. There is no low, no high or in between of my heart that you haven't seen. 'Cause I share all I have and am. Nothing I've said is hard to understand. All I feel deeper still, and always will. All this love is for you. Here we go. Every note that I play, every word I might say, every melody I feel are only for you and your appeal. Every page that I write, every day of my life would not be filled without the things that my love for you now brings. For you, I make this promise of fidelity now and for eternity. No one can replace this vow for you. I take your hand, your heart, and everything, and add to them a wedding ring. 'Cause this life is no good alone. Since we've become one, you're all I've known. And if this feeling should leave, I die. And here's why: all I do is for you. Everything I do now makes sense. All roads end, all I do is for you. Okay, I think I messed up royally, but yeah, let's see what y'all think. About to post this right now.